Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of a pre-built rig, the iBUYPOWER Slate MESH Gaming PC. Whether you're into hardcore gaming, streaming, or content creation, this machine means serious business. Before we get into the full review, make sure to check the link below for the best discounted price available today. You don't want to miss out on this beast of a deal. Brain emoji, specs breakdown, pure power. CPU, Intel Core i7-14700F, a 20-core monster, 8 performance plus 12 efficiency cores, for seamless multitasking, rendering, and high FPS gaming. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB, massive performance leap with DLSS 3.5, ray tracing, and AI-accelerated graphics. Crushes 1440p and even 4K gaming. RAM, 32GB DDR5 RGB at 5200 MHz, blazing fast memory that powers through multitasking and keeps everything responsive, plus beautiful RGB effects. Storage, 1TB NVMe SSD, fast boot, rapid game loads, and enough space for your entire game library and creative projects. OS, Windows 11 Home, ready out of the box. Ice emoji, design and build. Mesh meets RGB. The Slate Mesh chassis not only looks futuristic with bold RGB accents, but it also keeps airflow at the top of its game. That mesh front panel means maximum cooling, no overheating even when gaming for hours. The interior is clean and professionally wired, making it upgrade-friendly and satisfying to look at through the tempered glass panel. Video game emoji, real-world gaming performance. This rig absolutely dominates at 1440p and handles 4K in many games with ease. Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, Starfield, 80 to 100 FPS at ultra settings, 1440p. Warzone, Fortnite, Apex Legends, 150 plus FPS for ultra smooth competitive play. Streaming plus recording plus gaming, handled simultaneously without lag or frame drops. White check mark emoji, pros. Top-tier CPU and GPU combo perfect for gamers and creators. 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures future-proofing. High airflow mesh design with stunning RGB. Plug and play, includes Windows 11, keyboard, and mouse. Fastened storage with room to expand. Cross mark emoji, cons. No liquid cooling, but mesh airflow is highly effective. No HDD for mass storage, optional to add later. Slightly loud under full load, can be tuned with fan curves. Shopping cart emoji, final verdict. The iBUYPOWER Slate MESH Gaming PC is a performance-packed monster that's ideal for anyone who wants to game, stream, edit, or multitask at the highest level, without the headache of building their own rig. Hit the link below and grab yours now at the best deal of the day. Check today's lowest price link below. Down pointing finger emoji, down pointing finger emoji, down pointing finger emoji. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more epic gaming gear reviews every single week. Stay powerful, stay gaming, video game emoji, personal computer emoji.